Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a shooting star. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw a star. Now let's draw another star inside this big star. Now let's draw the tail. After that, using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. Erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.